Introduction to Software Automation. Episode 1. What can you automate? Are repetitive tasks eating up your time? Imagine if your computer could handle them for you. Welcome to Garcar AI Tech. In this series, we'll explore software automation, the key to boosting productivity and efficiency. Software automation uses technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. This means you can automate actions like data entry, email responses, and file management, freeing up time for more important work. The benefits are substantial: increased productivity, reduced errors, cost savings, and improved employee satisfaction. There are various tools to help you get started. Zapier connects your favorite apps to automate workflows without coding. AutoHotkey allows you to create custom scripts for automating repetitive tasks on Windows. Python, a versatile programming language ideal for automating a wide range of tasks. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, deploys software robots to mimic human actions, such as data entry. By the end of this series, you'll be equipped to implement automation in your daily routines, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Ready to transform how you work? Let's dive in!